Hello and welcome back to This Lovely Stitch. On this channel we create what we love and explore the creative process. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet the half double crochet V-stitch. So to start off, you can use any weight of yarn you'd like. For today's tutorial I'll be using a medium weight 4 worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter hook. But again, you can use any yarn and hook size that go together and work for what you're making. First, you're going to start off with the slip knot. If you're unsure how to do this, I do have videos on my channel. Then you're going to crochet a multiple of 3. So for this tutorial, I'm going to crochet 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're going to crochet an extra 2 on the end. So a multiple of 3 plus 2. All right, I'm going to bring you a little closer so you can see the stitches as we start working on the pattern. Okay, so now you're going to go into the third chain from the hook, so you can see 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to place 2 double crochets. So first you're going to double crochet, then you're going to chain 1, then you're going to double crochet again in the same stitch. Next, you're going to skip a stitch. You're going to skip 2 stitches actually. So skipping 1 stitch, skipping the second stitch, and going into that third stitch with a double crochet. And just for reference, you double crochet by yarning over, inserting your hook, yarning over, pulling through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then you're going to chain 1 and double crochet again in the same stitch. And you're going to do that all the way down until you get to the last repeat. So I'm going to do that real quick. So again, skipping 2 stitches, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Now I have 2 stitches left on the 2 chains left unworked, right? You can see these right here at the end. I'm going to skip 1 chain, and then in the last chain I'm going to place 1 double crochet. And then to turn my work, I'm going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and turn my work. Now we're going to do the same thing, but instead of going into a chain, we're going to be going into those chain 1 spaces. So you can see I have a chain 1 space here, a chain 1 space here, and then a final chain 1 space here. So in those chain 1 spaces, you're going to double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet again in the same spot. So one more time, you're going to double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same spot. And then you're going to do that all the way down your row until you get to finish the last V-stitch. So this is my last V-stitch because I only did a few stitches for this pattern sample. And then you're going to place 1 double crochet into that chain, the top of the chain 3 that you made for the last round. So because this is our first round, it's just going to be the top of that double crochet that we made that was standing by itself. So you can see it's already growing. I'm going to do 2 more rows. I'll do 1 more row with you and then 1 row off screen, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. So again, the way you chain your work, you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, turn your work, double crochet in that chain 1 space from the previous round, chain 1, double crochet in that space, chain 1, double crochet. And just a reminder on how to double crochet while I'm at it, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that chain 1 space, yarn over again, pull through 1 loop. So you have 3 loops on the hook now, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over again, go through those last 2 loops, so you only have 1 loop left on the hook. Then you're going to chain 1, double crochet again, And in that final chain 3 space, you're going to double crochet at the top of that chain 3 that you made your previous round. And that's how you do the double crochet V-stitch pattern. So I'm going to do 2 more rows off screen just so I have a nice square to show you all, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, I'm back. You can see the finished work. So this is what it looks like when it's all worked up. You can see that there's V's going upwards, but essentially that's how you make the V-stitch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I post new videos every week, so I'll see you real soon. Bye.